Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lonis Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today, we're going to present our fifth lecture titled What is Trading Strategy? So, I have divided my fifth lecture into the following elements as follows. What is trading strategy? What are the main types of trading strategy? Language activities, including building vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. And finally, assessment, including quizzes, tests, and exams. So what is trading strategy? Trading strategy is a technique used by traders in a stock market to buy and sell shares during trading hours. Trading strategy refers to traders' approach to buying and selling stocks during trading sessions. What are the main types of trading strategy? There are several trading strategies. These include the following: long and short equity strategy, news trading, days trading, scalping, and social trading. Language activities, strategy as a noun, plural strategies. So strategy as a countable noun means a plan that is intended to achieve a particular purpose. The government's economic strategy, for example, the company will now focus its strategy on its core business areas. The company's financial strategy is not working. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.